Hey, this is Gabe with B&H Pro Audio, and today we're taking a look at the new member of the KORG nu-tekt family, the NTS-4. The NTS-4 is a 6-channel portable performance mixer with onboard effects, perfect to use with other nu-tekt devices, Volcas, Eurorack setups, and honestly, any synth you might have in your arsenal, both in the studio, on stage, or on the go. So if you're new to the nu-tekt series, there are a family of DIY devices that KORG produces and that you have to assemble yourself when they get to you. Don't fret though, KORG makes the process very simple and provides everything you need to do so, and you'll be done and ready to jam in a matter of minutes. The NTS-4 is the 4th device in the series, and we actually got to get a glimpse at it this year at Super Booth, but now the time has come for it to find a place in your studio or in your backpack, since the NTS-4 can be transported anywhere very easily. Here it is next to the NTS-1 and my hand for scale and size comparison. In terms of build, the mixer is made of thick aluminum and feels really sturdy, and it's also heavy enough to stay in place without sliding when you're tweaking it, but light enough to be taken anywhere, and it can be powered either via USB-C or with a 9-volt center positive power supply depending on your preference and needs. In terms of layout, the NTS-4 features 6 channels with their respective 3.5mm inputs and controls, the onboard effects section, and to the right, level control knobs for headphones, USB audio, Q balance, and for the main output. You'll find the main out at the top right of the unit with a 1/4-inch stereo output, and the NTS-4 also supports external audio processors via its send and return connectors. Out of the 6 channels available on the mixer, the 2 on the left are mono channels, each with a dedicated pan control, and the 4 remaining channels are stereo. Each channel features a send knob to control the level of signal sent to both onboard or external effects, a mute button to bring in or mute sound sources during live performances, and a Q button to audition your synths, drum machines, or modules before you bring them into the mix. This can be done in conjunction with the Q balance mix knob on the right, which is akin to a DJ Q control and lets you hear only the cued sound source when turned all the way to the left, your uncued mix when turned all the way to the right, and a mix of both when set to 12 o'clock. Lastly, all the way down, you'll find independent level controls for each track. The next big feature on the NTS-4 is the onboard effects, and the mixer actually features 2 separate stereo effects engines. The send effects, which you can use to process each track independently, and the total effects that you can use to shape your entire mix. And you can navigate between both engines and dial the effects to taste using the 3 buttons at the top of the effects module and the 2 edit knobs at the bottom. So for the send effects, you can choose between several flavors of delay, reverb, and a chorus. So let's take a quick listen to each of them. Here's the delay. The ping pong delay. Reverb 1. Reverb 2. Reverb 3. Reverb 4. And the chorus. Next up, let's listen to the total effects on our full mix. These include a low-pass filter with cutoff and resonance control, a high-pass filter, a bandpass filter, a flanger with speed and depth control, a phaser, the decimator, which is a bit crusher, drive with color and driver mounts, distortion, a compressor, and finally a limiter. So all in all, you get a selection of great sounding effects on the NTS-4, which in turn means that you could use it only as an effects processor on its way to a larger mixer or your DAW if you wanted to. And as I quickly mentioned before, the NTS-4 also supports external effects processors via its send and return connectors here at the top, so you can bring your own effects to the party if you want to. Last but not least, I should mention that not only the NTS-4 can be powered via its USB port, but can also support USB audio in and out, letting you add one extra sound source to your mix and blend it in using the USB audio knob on the right. And this also means that you can use the NTS-4 as an audio interface to record instruments or a stereo mix of a live performance, and you can use the mixer as a USB MIDI interface to control MIDI compatible gear via the 3.5mm MIDI out. And with this, we come to the end of our quick look at the KORG NTS-4 6-channel performance mixer. And as always with the nu-tekt devices, I think KORG hit it right out of the park. I really love these unpretentious little devices. They deliver stellar performance and great sound while not breaking the bank. And the NTS-4 is just a great addition to the series, and I'm really looking forward to see what they'll come up with next. Let me know what you think of the NTS-4 and the nu-tekt series in the comments below. In the meantime, this was Gabe, and I'll see you very soon on the B&H Pro Audio YouTube channel.